Hey TechWave fam, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of the most interesting kitchen gadgets you've probably seen online. Are they practical or just another set of tools that will collect dust in your kitchen drawer? Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Crinkle cutter. It claims to be a stainless steel zigzag knife that can create crinkle cut fries, veggies, and more. They say it's a must-have tool in the kitchen. So, does it live up to its claim? Let's find out. Now, the reviews say it might not be the sharpest knife, and well, they're not entirely wrong. It's cutting, but not without a fight. I'm slicing through this potato, but it feels more like I'm getting my daily arm workout in at the same time. But hey, look at this. We do get crinkle cut fries in the end. Not too shabby if you are okay putting in a little extra effort. The handle's comfortable, but you might need help with harder veggies. Now, cucumbers. It's sliced through like butter, so it's all about finding that balance. Next, we have the mini grip jar opener. This little guy promises to be your pocket-sized savior for opening jar lids. It's small, attaches to a keychain, and is supposedly capable of opening lids up to 4 inches in diameter. Starting small, it worked perfectly for the baby food jar. But as we move up in size, it gets a little tricky. This peanut butter jar? Well, I'm feeling the burn here, and it's not from the peanut butter. The thing is, the smaller lids are a breeze, but as soon as you get to those larger ones, the struggle becomes real. It's convenient to carry around, but I don't know if I'd call it a universal opener. Definitely works better for smaller tasks. Alright, safety first. Here we have the SafeGrate, a finger guard for grating and chopping. Now, if you've ever grated cheese and ended up grating your knuckles as well, this might be for you. It feels secure, and I'm happy to report no grated knuckles this time. It grips the cheese well, but once you get down to the smaller pieces, it's not as effective. There's always that last chunk that's just a little too small to hold. But for chopping, it was surprisingly efficient. It held the carrot in place, making the process much less nerve-wracking. It's a decent tool if you're prone to kitchen mishaps. Last up, we have the pan organizer. You know the struggle, pans and lids just tumbling around every time you open the cupboard. This organizer claims to hold up to 9 pans or lids vertically or horizontally, so let's see if it can put an end to the chaos. I started off with my heaviest pans, and guess what? It held them pretty well. No wobbling, no tipping over, it's actually pretty sturdy. Using it horizontally is also an option, but you only get 4 slots that way. Honestly, I prefer it vertical. It just saves more space, and it looks a lot neater. The pans are stable, and I can finally say goodbye to the dreaded pan avalanche. So, which of these gadgets is worth your time and money? Let's rank them. Mini grip jar opener. It's great for small jars but start struggling with larger lids. It's cute but not a game changer. Crinkle cutter. It works but is not as sharp as you'd hope. The handle feels good, but you'll need some effort for harder veggies. SafeGrate. This one lives up to the hype about keeping your fingers safe. The only downside is that the material feels slightly flimsy, but it's a solid choice for those worried about safety. Pan organizer. This is the best I've found today. It's sturdy, holds my heaviest pans, and has genuinely made my kitchen feel more organized. Alright TechWave fam, that wraps up our gadget review for today. Let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these? Are there any other quirky gadgets you want me to test out? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our reviews. Until next time, keep cooking, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching TechWave Reviews.